You something yummy. Girls, come on out here. Okay, let's see. What do we have for you? It's nice and cold, huh? You want some too? It's alright, guys. We've got plenty. We've got plenty. Look. We've got an entire bowl. So everybody can have some. We'll put some over for the teenagers. There you guys go. Hi, honey. Come on, join the party. Come join the party. Come on, girls. Uh-oh, somebody's trapped in the yard. You gotta go around. There you go. You got it figured out. All right, let's spread this around a bit so everybody can have some. Hi, sweetie. Did you come? You want some too? It's cold, huh? Hi, honey. I see that look in your eye. I see that look in your eye. You're gonna get on my back? There we go. There's some for everyone. You guys want some more over there? Okay. Let's bring some more over here. There we go. Some for you, and some for you. Alrighty, girls. I'm so happy that you're happy. I can hear the birds they're seeing you got something wonderful. As soon as I go inside, they'll come and get a snack too. Byron. Oh, and good news. Rosemary's foot is finally starting to get better. The swelling's actually gone down a bit. She's still, still sore, but it's improving. The soaking is working. I'm so happy about that. The birds are mad that I'm still out here. They're telling me to go inside. Hi, Nellie. Look how beautiful you are. What, Byron? What, girl? Ah! Oh, you're such a sweet. Don't peck my mouth. That's annoying. Hop down. You're a goof. It doesn't want to turn off. I don't know what to do about that. How did you get that to happen? I don't know how to turn it off.